everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a low bun, and I just kind of wanted to show y'all how my hair started out. It was very dry and very dirty. This wash and go is probably almost 2 weeks old. So you'll see here I'm kind of having a hard time getting the scrunchie out of my head. So like I was saying just a minute ago, yeah, this wash and go is so old. I had not done anything to my hair in a while, so the scrunchie had been in there for I don't know how long. Since my hair was so dry, I just needed a little bit of oil, so I just went ahead and put just a little bit down this part. So as you just saw, I just sprayed my hair with some water, and now I'm going to take this Camille Rose Curl Love Moisture Milk just because my hair is so dry and the products that I'm using to kind of smooth my hair down are more like a gel texture. So I just want to make sure my hair is good and moisturized before I put that on my hair. I've done that all over my hair. I'm just going to go ahead and take the As I Am smoothing gel and put that all over my hair as well. So here I'm going to take a clip and put it on my hair just to keep this section as smooth as possible while I'm working on the other section of my hair. a little bit of edge control and just doing my edges just a little bit. For my little widow's peak area, I just grabbed a little bit more edge control and just smoothed it down. So of course, when I'm done, I just want to go ahead and put on a satin scarf just to tie my head up, just to get it as good and flat and smooth as possible. And I just left this on for about 20 minutes, I believe. I just grabbed another hair rubber band or elastic or whatever, and I just wrapped it around my hair one time. So at the last minute, I just decided to take some little pieces out on the sides of my hair, and all I did was spray some water on it and grab just a little bit of the Camille Rose Moisture Milk. yes, that piece was way too long, as you can see. So I'm just taking some of the long pieces out and putting that behind my ear and just continuing to twirl until I get the desired curl. So this is the finished look, everyone. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in my next video.